Welcome to this tutorial on Trust Wallet installation. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Trust Wallet on your mobile device. First, you need to download the Trust Wallet app from the official App Store. For Android devices, you can find it on the Google Play Store, while iOS users can download it from the Apple App Store. Simply search for Trust Wallet and click the Install button to begin the download process. Once the download is complete, open the Trust Wallet app and click on the Create a New Wallet button. You will be asked to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After agreeing, you will be prompted to create a strong password and PIN code to secure your wallet. Next, you will be given a recovery phrase, which is a list of 12 words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to your device. It is essential to write down this phrase and store it in a safe and secure location, as anyone with access to this phrase can access your wallet. After setting up your wallet, you can start adding cryptocurrencies to it. Trust Wallet supports a wide range of coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. To add a new coin, simply click on the Add Coin button and select the coin you want to add from the list of available options. Trust Wallet also provides a feature to buy cryptocurrencies directly from the app using a credit or debit card. This feature is available in select countries and requires verification of your identity. Additionally, Trust Wallet has a built-in exchange feature that allows you to swap one coin for another. To ensure the security of your wallet, it is essential to enable two-factor authentication and keep your device and wallet up to date. You should also be cautious when interacting with unknown websites or apps, as they may pose a security risk to your wallet. In conclusion, installing Trust Wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can securely store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies using Trust Wallet. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your wallet and device up to date to protect your assets.